So the Yacht Club in Pentwater has been a staple in the community for decades.
There was an old warehouse on this property. People that founded the club were able to acquire it and put in a restaurant and put in a kitchen. And it's been our home since 1935.
But unfortunately, the building was at end of life. They wanted a new club, something more substantial. So we wanted to reconstruct it with a lot of the life that it had before, but with more robust, new age materials that could hold up for decades to come.
You know, we wanted to have a durable product. You know, we didn't want to have a product that we're going to be chasing around maintenance-wise for a long time.
Northern Michigan has a lot of extremes. We got extreme heat, we got extreme cold, and then with this building, it's over top the water.
And so all the materials that you're using, it has to be weather tight. Again, designing on the lake and designing with the elements, we really needed something that could stand for 30, 40 years, you know, multiple generations. That was the true intent of the design that we were trying to create.
I love working with AZEK products personally. I've been using it for years. I know that by installing this AZEK product properly, you're never going to get a call back from that customer because this product outlasts any other product on the market, like hands down.
We wanted to try to keep the building similar to what it was before. There was quite a history here. We've got members who have been here for 50 years, if you can believe it, in this club.
So we want to make a cozy vibe with the exterior design of the building just by using the AZEK products, basically to capture the history of the old building within the new building. It was all of the details of the exterior cladding and the actual difference or dimension between the lap siding, the shakes, the actual kind of cedar shake detail to it as opposed to being smooth product, getting that cedar grain texture.
PVC is extremely similar to working with wood. It cuts very smoothly. It's a lighter weight. You always have a good finish on it. I find it to be a much better product.
The other aspect of the building that has been so well received by all of our membership is the TimberTech decking that we have in our lower deck and upper deck. The TimberTech product, it's spectacular, I think. It's not your grandfather's deck, and it really satisfied a couple of our objectives. One, it's beautiful, and it's durable. It's got a tough environment upstairs, and we have no concerns about the TimberTech product.
The total project lasted approximately 9 months from start of demolition to turning the building over for occupancy. Pretty fast-paced construction project over top of the water.
You know, it was all AZEK, so it's all one seamless product now that you have in the exterior envelope that just makes it so easy for maintenance for the club for future.
And every time I've been with somebody else on a boat, they say, wow, does the club look great? And it looks so much like the old one, you know, and it's the first thing you see when you come down the channel. So it's been a huge success. And all of the AZEK product is a part of it. It basically satisfied all of our, what I would call critical to quality characteristics. It gave us the cottagey feel that we had in the exterior of our other club, yet it gave us the confidence and the durability that it's going to be here for a long, long time. So this building is going to be here when I'm pushing daisies, and we're hoping that the exterior of this building is going to be untouched for as long as we could possibly get there.